Alexei Kondratyevich Savrasov was born May 24, 1830, died September 26, 1897. He was a Russian landscape painter and creator of the lyrical landscape style. He began to draw early, and in 1838 he enrolled as a student of Professor Karl Rabus at the Moscow School of Painting, Sculpture, and Architecture. He graduated in 1850 and immediately began to specialize in landscape painting. The painters who influenced him most were British painter John Constable and Swiss painter Alexandre Calame. The Rooks Have Come Back is considered by many critics to be the high point in Savrasov's artistic career. Using a common, even trivial, episode of birds returning home, and an extremely simple landscape, Savrasov emotionally showed the transition of nature from winter to spring. It was a new type of lyrical landscape painting, called later by critics the mood landscape. The painting brought him fame.